Okay, so let's get started with this project. So I'm on the Laravel homepage and the installation section, and we're going to install the project using this command. I've copied the command to my clipboard, so I'm going to paste that here. I already have a blog project created in this folder. So I'm in the Laragon www folder. So I'm going to name this new one blog new. And also, we don't want the version 11 because the PHP version I have does not support that. And Laravel PHP 11 is extremely new, so we're not going to use that for this project. So I'm just going to type in the name, press enter, and this will start creating the project, the folders, and all of the dependencies. So I won't bore you with this. So let's just fast forward till it's done. Great, so the project has been created. So if I just type in ls, we're going to see the new directory has been created, blog new. So I'm going to go into that directory. So blog new, we're in the project now. So to create this, this is a Laravel project at the moment, but to turn this into an Inertiajs project, there are a couple of different ways we can do it. We can do it manually by going into different files, creating the handle inertia file and all of that stuff. But because we're going to need a login system anyway, if we use the starter kit Laravel Breeze, that's going to set all of that up for us. So we're not going to we won't have to do anything for that. So let's actually use that route. Okay, so I'm back on the Laravel website. I'm on the starter kits page, and these are the commands that we need to type in to get Laravel Breeze installed in our project. And we're going to use Inertia.js. So when you type this command into the terminal, it'll ask you a bunch of questions, and the options that you choose will structure your project accordingly. So let's type this one in first, and I'll take you through the process now. Okay, so I typed in the first command and it copied in the Laravel Breeze files that we needed. Now we just need to install it. So let's add that command in. So what was the command here? So it was PHP artisan breeze install. So let's type that in now. So PHP. So when you type this in, as I told you earlier, it'll ask you for some options. We don't want Blade with Alpine or anything else. We want Vue with Inertia. So we're going to type in Vue here, press enter. I'm not interested in dark mode, Inertia SSR, or anything like that. So I'm just going to press enter, not choose anything from it. I'm also not interested in any of these testing frameworks. I can just enter, press enter again, and it's updating all of these files, downloading more files, and adding it to the project. And I think it's done. So let's run the migration, and then we can test it in the browser. Before I run the migration command, we need to add in the database to the project. So we need to edit the env file. The database name is going to be blog new. So I try to keep it the same name as the project. User can be root, and we don't need a password. And that's basically it. So we can run the migration command now and install the whole project with npm install. And the next thing we're going to do is test it in the browser. Okay, so the project has been installed successfully, and I'm in the project here, so we can log in if we have the credentials, but it's completely blank at the moment. We have a blank database, so the next thing I want to do is set up some factories and create some users so we can log in and have some kind of fake records that we can work with. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. Please like and subscribe.